Okay, let's talk a little bit about how the base oil landscape is changing and what it really means to the industry.
The base oil landscape is changing rapidly. It's quite dynamic out there. If you look at the Group 3 market in particular, the number of suppliers of Group 3 has more than doubled over the last 5 years. And what's interesting to watch is those new players find it a challenge to provide their base oils at the same price as the established players. Oftentimes, the new players have to sell at a discount.
Gabe, what can we do to ensure an ongoing success of the industry?
I think it's important to talk about three things: performance, confidence, and value. Performance, quite simply, lubricants need to work. They need to do what they're designed to do, protect hardware. Almost important as performance is confidence. The end user needs to have confidence in the lubricants that they're putting in their engines or drivetrains. And oftentimes that's achieved by the various industry or OEM specifications that a lubricant claims. The third thing, value. Those specifications can be difficult to obtain, and certain skill sets are required to deliver them.
Gabe, how are base oil approvals obtained today?
Although there are a variety of players that can and do obtain approvals, the vast majority are obtained by the additive companies. But there's much more value to talk about than just the cost of running a particular test or program. There are opportunity costs and resource constraints, and decisions have to be made whether you invest in a program just to get another base oil covered or look for new investments in new technology and new products.
Let's talk a little bit about the value of a base oil approval and who's involved in managing that value.
Well, performance and confidence are valued. This is evidenced by the vast majority of lubricants on the market today are sold with some specification or OEM credential associated with it. It's no surprise that the new entrants to the market, these new base oil suppliers, are yearning for these approvals, because as we've seen quite publicly stated, these approvals can earn them $250 per ton or more on their base oil.
Gabe, what's Lubrizol doing in this area?
Lubrizol has engaged in partnership discussions with base oil suppliers that are willing to share in the joint value that we're creating.